we're gonna go ahead and start making the quinoa and the summer vegetables. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sanitize my hands here. Then I'm gonna put on some gloves before I get started. So we're making the quinoa and summer vegetables. So I did go ahead and prepare the quinoa. So we actually bought the white quinoa and it's in a dry package here. We had 2 cups of water that were brought to a boil. Then we stirred in the quinoa, just kind of like rice, and cooked it. You simmer it for about 12 to 15 minutes and then remove it from the heat. So that's what it looks like. And I went ahead and just prepared that and put it in the bowl so it's ready to go for our recipe. And then the next thing we're gonna do, we gotta heat some oil up in a skillet because we're gonna prepare our zucchini. Then we're gonna add zucchini in a single layer. So I'll go ahead and start cutting the zucchini up. We're gonna add that to the oil. Just start cooking up our zucchini. So we gotta chop up this red pepper next and add it once all that is cooking pretty good. We're gonna stir them up a little bit and make sure we get them just done a little bit. I'll start adding some of these peppers in here as well. It's gonna make a pretty color. We've got a couple of different colors going now, which makes it really appealing to look at even. So we're gonna stir all this up now. Then our next step, we need to add a little bit of paprika. Let me see what the amount is here. It's a half a teaspoon, so not very much, just to give it some flavor. So I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle it around on here. I'm gonna stir it up some more. Then once you get your peppers, once they're crisp and tender and your zucchini's crisp and tender, then you're able to turn those off, and then you're going to mix them in with your quinoa. But we're not quite there yet. So while those are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and work on the onions here. So as far as the onions, we need 6 green onions that we're going to slice up, and we're going to add that in with the quinoa. We're going to add those in there for now. So there's our green onions that we're adding. Then we're going to add to the bowl as well, we're going to get some fresh cilantro and add in there. Okay, I'm going to add that to our mixture here. And then we'll check on our vegetables we're cooking over here, and those are getting done. Then another thing that I have here, we got some almonds that we're going to add to it. I'm just going to go ahead and put those in, and then when our vegetables get done cooking, we can add those in and mix it up, and then we'll be done making our summer vegetable quinoa. So I'm going to turn that off. All right, and then we're going to add this to the quinoa. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it closer here so we can see it better. We kind of mix it together. All the flavors and the quinoa. So also on the directions, I'm gonna go ahead and put some on a plate, but on the directions, you're able to serve it with lemon too. So that'll make a really nice plate. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the plate so you can see how beautiful this looks on a plate. And since we've got some protein in this quinoa, we can use that as a main dish. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll just make a little, we'll do a little pretty lemon wedge or something on it. Like that. That'll make it look really pretty. There we go. So we have a gorgeous dish here that we could use for an entree, and it'd be really great for a summer thing to have some guests over and prepare this for them. It looks it's a very simple recipe, but yet it looks really fancy, like we spent a lot of money making it or went to a fancy restaurant and ordered this special dish. So I hope everybody enjoys it.